Hi, welcome to the Discover Your Life YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the 14 mindfulness trainings. This comes from the book Being Peace by Thich Nhat. These are just 14 things. I wanted to keep them separate from the video on being peace. So if you haven't seen the video on being peace, I definitely recommend you go back into the categories, take a look at the being peace video. This is what I was talking about for the 14 mindfulness trainings that I didn't want to go over in that video. I wanted to kind of separate it so it could be spent a little bit more time discussing that as needed. So the 14 mindfulness trainings that are taught in the book Being Peace by Thich Nhat are: number 1, you can achieve a peaceful mind when you are free from all fantasies. Number 2, it is important you don't get attached to ideas, outcomes, or your current understanding. Number 3, we will not force others to adopt the way we think. So don't try to change other people's minds, pretty much. Number 4, you can eliminate your pain and suffering by helping others eliminate their pain and suffering. Number 5, live simple and happy. We need compassion, understanding, and solidarity in our fellow human being. Number 6, do not fight someone else's angry words. Rather, look inward and understand the pain, hurt, and anger that they are feeling. Live life in awareness, not just being aware. Listen, don't speak. Look to understand others without judging or picking a side. So understand both sides. Don't just pick a side. Use positive words to build yourself and the people you meet. You will not use your understanding to manipulate others and push your political agenda. That means don't push your beliefs on other people. Don't manipulate people. Don't use religion to manipulate people. Too many people have been turned off from these things because people go out and try to manipulate them with words or beliefs. Practice a life of non-violence, unnecessary conflict, and ease the suffering of those who suffer. Number 13, we must stop all the profiting that comes from the suffering of other people. And number 14, in the mindfulness training, we need to stop looking outside of our spousal relationships for sexual gratification. I hope you're able to use these 14 mindful trainings that are talked about in the book Being Peace by Thich Nhat. These are just 14 different principles on how to think, how to really engage with other people, and how to be successful in having those relationships with people without bringing additional judgment on people or people bringing judgment on you. It's about having a compassionate heart and empathy for those people. If you like this video, please subscribe. Don't forget to like the other videos or watch the other videos on my YouTube channel. I hope you're able to use this information to go out and become the person you really want to be. Other than that, hope to see you on the next video.